Okay, part 3. And we got Tuvok again. Oops. There we go. Oops, let me bring this down a bit. There we go. Let's see, I think we did this one before. No. Okay. As he died, the entity known to the Kampa as the Caretaker revealed to Captain Janeway and Tuvok that his reason for bringing them here was to use their technology to augment the Kampa water supply, B, find his companion, the missing caretaker, C, procreate a replacement. I think it was C. Upside down. And got 2. There we go. Okay. Oh, let's see. What's that called? Gathra Laban? These cards were so pretty, I love them. There we go. And Janeway again. Well, some of them are stuck together. And same trivia question. No, I'm fine. Okay, let's see. Oh, Jabin. Good. Yeah, we need a little cool weather. Okay, let's see. What do we got next? And we have Tom. Great. Don't have that one. Okay. Let's see. And it's probably just the base that answered that question already. Yep, base. Base. And what's this card right here? Yeah, base. Okay. And we have Tom again. Kind of looks like there's a pattern. Tattoo. Base. Yeah, did that one already. Come on. And base. Okay. And we have Chakotay. Cool. Okay. Base, 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 base. I think we did that. Yeah, we did that question already. And that's it. Okay. And guess. Okay. Base, 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 base. Did that question. Let's see what this last one is. There we go. And we got Kent. They really picked out nice pictures. There we go. Oops. Okay, base. Okay, and we got Janeway again. Come on, come on. Oh, somewhere stuck. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay, I'll move a few more. Okay, be right back.